Hello everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Do you need to convert an image to a PDF file using only Google Drive? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to do it for free. And if you need to edit the PDF afterward, I'll also show you an easy method to turn it into a fully editable document. Don't forget to subscribe below so you can easily find this video again whenever you need it. First, search Google Drive in your browser and open it. Click New in the top left corner. Select File Upload and then choose the image you want to convert. For this demonstration, I'll use a screenshot of a report. Once the upload is complete, click Recent in the left sidebar. You'll see the image you just uploaded here. Click the three dots next to the image, choose Open With, then select Google Docs. Google Drive will automatically open the image in a Google Docs file. You'll notice that your image appears at the document. You may also see text underneath the image. Google Docs extracts text from the image. If you don't need that text, simply delete it. Next, adjust the image size and position as needed. Once you're happy with the layout, it's time to export the PDF. Click File in the top left corner. Then select Download and choose PDF document. That's it. You've successfully converted an image into a PDF using Google Drive. However, there's one limitation. The PDF you just created isn't editable. If you want to modify the text or update content inside the document, you'll need a PDF editor with OCR capabilities. For that, I would use PDNob PDF Editor. PDNob can convert PDFs into editable, searchable documents. I've added the download link in the description below. You can download it there first. Open PDNob, click the plus button, select Convert File to PDF, and choose the image you want to edit. Once the file opens, click Perform OCR at the top. OCR analyzes the image and accurately recognizes the text inside it, allowing you to edit, copy, and manage the content. Then select Perform OCR and wait for the process to finish. Now your image has been converted into a fully editable document. You can click anywhere in the text to make changes, update information, or format the content however you like. When you're finished, click File, choose Export, then export the document as a PDF. And that's how you can convert an image to a PDF with Google Drive and turn it into a fully editable PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I share practical tech tips, AI tools that can make your work easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.